Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Discovery Plus on Sony TV. Quick guide step by step clearly. To activate Discovery Plus on your Sony TV, start by turning on your television. Ensure your Sony TV is connected to a stable internet connection. Next, navigate to the home screen using your remote control. Once on the home screen, locate the Google Play Store app and select it. In the Play Store, use the search function to type Discovery Plus. Select the Discovery Plus app from the search results. Choose the Install option to begin downloading the app. After the installation is complete, return to the home screen. Find the Discovery Plus app and select it to open. You will see the login screen for Discovery Plus. If you already have an account, enter your login details. If you need to create a new account, you can do so from this screen. Once logged in, you may be prompted to activate your device. Take note of the activation code displayed on your TV screen. Now, using a computer or mobile device, navigate to the Discovery Plus activation website. Enter the activation code in the provided field on the website. Follow any additional prompts to complete the activation process. Once completed, return to your Sony TV. You should now have full access to Discovery Plus content. Enjoy your favorite shows and documentaries. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.